yung itsura ni Moy, parang tuyo pa yung kanyang pawis,
Oo.
malamig pa off the bench,
Oo.
parang bagong gising in a way.
Yeah.
Pero ginising niya itong buong Letran crowd.
Lianeg, pati tayo, Anton.
Oh!
Okay.
Isa pa.
Kembot counter, 3-1. Carl Berdal on that open area. Still, no answer ang blockers ng Letran Knights dahil kanina pa na-maximize si Villados. Yung mga tayong set papunta kay Carl sa open at very successful.
Ilaban mo na. Carl Berdal.
Eto na. Ganito rin yung trend kaninang first set. Anton, palitan ng puntos mula kay Vince Simpson at kay Carl Berdal.
We're looking at the Letran Lady Knights, looking at their male counterparts. Both these teams looking to force a game 3, Anjo.
Tingnan natin.
Villados, one-handed set, popped up. Bam Bam.
Oh, that was out. Bam Bam with a look on the crowd. Tapos may bilang Kembot. Ito na.
Counted ba yun? As Kembot? Counted.
Pwede. Basta kapag pumaling pa kanan kaliwa yung hips. Counted, Anton. 3-2 na po ang ating Kembot counter. Kailangan po mag-init ni Bam Bam. Medyo hindi pa natin siya madalas natatawag. Medyo tahimik pa yung kanyang production pagdating sa atake.
Sinuto. Sinabayan ni Bam Bam. Villados goes to AC. Popped up by Bam Bam.
Oh, wait! What an habol. Pero ganda ng depensa ng Arellano. AC Ginto. Free ball para sa Letran. Oh! Vince Simpson for the home run. Another big quick set play for him. Galing sa isang fast play mula kay Aranyo.
Vince Simpson leading all scorers with 7 points. Punta muna natin si Flo Del Agua.
Gentlemen, for the sake of the finals, some sacrifices had to be made. Sabi sa akin ni Wayne Aranyo ng Letran, sakripisyo mo na bilang setter na huwag mamili ng first ball. After that game 1, Aranyo realized that a true test of a good setter is when you can make something out of nothing. Para naman sa Arellano, kung sakripisyo lang ang usapan, remember the name of AC Ginto. He shared with me that mid-season he was diagnosed with Bell's palsy on his right face, which made it impossible for him to talk to his teammates. Pero dahil nagpuspos daw siya sa therapy, he was able to recover quickly. Will it be Wayne's sacrifice of the first ball or will it be AZ's health comeback that will pay off today? Your thoughts, Anton and Anjo?
Wow, imagine playing with Bell's palsy, overcoming it. You know, ang atleta po, halos twice a day po nagtitraining yan. Nag-aaral pa yan. And imagine having that na dagdag pasanin pa sa'yo sa pang-araw-araw and doing your best inside the court and inside the school. Hats off to you, Aranyo.
What a fighter.
Yeah,
what a
grabe
fighter.
yun.
Bautista.
Oh, what a pancake save!
AC!
AC Ginto getting hot para sa side ng Arellano. And before that, no, habang nagre-report si Flo kanina, that was the longest rally we had. AC Ginto powering it through over the Duma block coverage of the Letran Knights. Best middle blocker, no problem para kay AC Ginto. Oh, yun lang. Service error para sa Arellano.
Early lead for Letran, ha?
Oo, 3-point lead. Kanina kasi palitan ito, Anton eh.
So, a better start Letran using the momentum of that dramatic ending in set number 1 para makuha yung driver seat dito sa set 2. Yun lang.
Oo, palitan ng service error for both teams.
And now I'm starting to see some sweat on Vince Simpson. Pinapawisan na.
Kapag nagkaka-error siya, doon siya pinagpapawisan pala, Anton.
Yes.
Yun ang sikreto. Alam na natin ngayon.
Yeah, and yung reaction niya after committing that service error, he was very disappointed in himself.
Ooh. Oh, Bam Bam! Yes! Count that! And Villados nagreklamo sa ating first referee, kailangan umikot muna si Bam Bam bago gumawa ng ganong kembot.
Tatlo na.
Oo.
3-all na. Berdal and Bembem.
Wow!
Kembot counter.
Whoa! Look at that. Bam Bam very fierce, challenging the two-man block coverage with Arellano Chiefs. Check out, that spike was too powerful for them to control that block.
It's the tiptoe and the bent knee for me.
Is that the trick? Oh, wait! Whoa! Getting spicy! Another kill block point para sa Letra Knights. Aranyo with that look. Oh.
Nahawa na kay Bembem.
Oo, tingnan mo, tumagal eh. Oh. Woo!
John Wayne Aranyo, usually just to himself, nonchalant, but with a little stare down there.
3-point lead para sa Arellano Chiefs. Pumunto sila ngayon sa gitna. Kuramen. Hang time. Great adjustment mid-air. Ganda rin ng delay na set ni Veliados.
AC. Wayne. Oh!
And yes, Lardizabal finding the down the line area. No one's home to defend that ball para sa side ng Arellano. Successful running attack para sa Letran.
Letran riding on a wave of momentum. They are up by 4.
There's a new girl in class.
Nagsimulang mangyari ang lahat nung
Ito na ang ikalawang edisyon ng ating Awesome Play sa NCAA Season 100 Women's Volleyball. Simulan natin sa number 10.
Oh, Liberos going at it right now. Wow, another dig by Silva.
What a rally! Nitura breaks down the wall! Judiel Nitura, winakasan.
He is one of the best scorers in the NCAA, playing in his final season. He's hoping that this will be his final match, hoping to end it as a champion. Hail to the chief, Carl Berdal.
Carl Berdal. Ito na, malalaman natin kung anong legacy ba ang kanyang iiwan para sa Arellano Chiefs. Will he bring home the bacon? Let's see. And speaking of bacon, that sounds so good.
Oo nga. Pwede pa humabol sa almusal.
Oh, sa all-day breakfast.
Oh! Sumobra.
Oo, ito na, nagpapatong-patong na ang errors ng Letran pagdating sa service line. Very rare one because we know that they are very consistent pagdating sa service. And now Arellano trailing by 3.
Bagong gupit din si Bembem, ha?
Diba? I told you, bro. Kanina napansin natin eh. Crew cut.
Ambrosio.
Ooh. Check out for Ambrosio. Alam mo, ito nakakatuwa kay Ambrosio, no? Tahimik lang sa umpisa, pero pumupuntos eh. Nag-chip in eh. Magugulat ka na lang, pumapatong na yung puntos niya.
Ambrosio with 6 points now here in this match. So, Himzon at Ambrosio na una para sa mga Letranista, 8 and 6 respectively.
Ooh.
Oh, what a
Regalo.
Adi. Papalo. Oh, teka, magsaset!
Oh! 2 times the charm para kay Veliados. Parehas na fake set eh. Fake set. Ito kasi yung threat kay Veliados eh. Kaya niyang paluin yung mga ganung bola. Pero the unselfishness giving away para sa kanyang teammate right in the middle. Wow. And great connection as well for Veliados and Pangilinan.
You know the center is good when he can fake out even the commentator.
I know.
Kala ko talaga papalo eh.
Oh.
Himzon. Oy!
What a drop by Vince, but ang ganda ng pancake save ni Veliados.
Ambrosio. Grabe. What an X factor Ambrosio has been.
Yes, we've been talking about and we've been saying his name kanina pa earlier in the first set, Ambrosio. Sabi ko nga, no, tahimik lang pero hindi natin napapansin, nagpapatong-patong na yung puntos na ibinibigay niya at kino-contribute niya para sa squad ang Letran Knights.
7 points already for Lou Ambrosio. Adi. Pangilinan with a quick attack.
Yes, another set in the middle. Galing kay Veliados, papunta kay Pangilinan. Another successful quick set play. Medyo na late si Vincenzon on that block. Nahirapan na ni si Bembem, iangat. Puntos once again for Pangilinan.
Berdal. 6 points as of this moment. Himzon popped up by Berdal from the back. Adi sets it up. Cross court, nothing
what a
there.
dig.
Himzon, natapik pa, papunta sa Arellano side.
Ambrosio.
Cross court. Villados.
What a set.
AC. Aranyo. Back set.
Oh! Nang gigil si Bermido ending that long rally. Ang ganda rin ng blocking coverage eh. Bermido, yun lang, nag-alangan. Medyo nag-ingat siya sa spike na yon. Went out. Puntos para sa Arellano, now down by 2. Berdal still serving para sa Arellano.
If you're Arellano, maybe it's a good thing na lumamang na maaga etong Letran rather than late in the set. May chance pa makahabol. But Ambrosio, again, continues to contribute big time para sa Letran.
Tama, mapa-open, mapa-opposite. Ambrosio doing X-Factor things para sa Letran Knights. Galing nitong batang to, ang tapang maglaro.
Kimzon and Ambrosio with 8 points each. And Sinuto, check out.
Yeah, very smart play para kay Sinuto. Bem was covering the down the lane area, towering on that area. Nakita niya masyado mataas. Closer to the outside realm. Easy check out. Gusto mo yung outside realm?
I like that. Parang Marvel movie. The Nine Realms. We are here in Midgard. Midgard. Himson.
Ooh, single block.
Oh!
Uy,
No
familiar
look.
yung mga ganong play ah. Kilala mo kung kanino galing yon?
Kanino?
Kay Rexental yun eh. Signature play niya yung ganon.
And I feel like Rexental can do it even while holding a cell phone.
Oh yeah.
While taking a selfie in the air.
And holding a paintbrush as well.
Oh yeah.
Grab
Grab it.
paints eh.
That guy's got skills.
Uh-huh.
That guy's got skills.
Or a drop ball kaling kay Vince Simpson. Iba talaga. Pag high flyer! Speaking of the high flyer, AC Ginto on that open area. Single block coverage. A big no-no for AC. Bomba! Boom, no block pala. Grabing regalo yun. Kung ako yung bola, umaray ako. Pag ganun yung palo.
Napunta sa pep squad yung bola eh.
Oo. Sana pwedeng ganun, iuwi mo na lang yung bola na pag ikaw nakakuha. And a big block para naman sa Arellano. This time blocking Bem Bautista on that open area. Villados and Curamen connecting on that net. With the woo.
Nakuha yung Arellano crowd as they are down
By one.
by just one.
Oh! Ouch! Aray ko, ako'y nasaktan sa block na yun, Anton. Single block coverage. But wait, there's a commotion in the net with our second referee and the Arellano Chiefs. Oh yes, point still goes sa side ng Arellano. Single block coverage para kay AC Ginto. Warning lang, medyo umiinit kasi eh. Umiinit eh.
AC Ginto, what a season, overcoming Bell's palsy. And now, overcoming the power of Pangilinan.
Grabe yun. Ang lutong. Now we're tied at 12. What a serve! And the lead now goes to the side of Arellano with that regalo para kay Villados. Tipping it over sa side ng Letran at walang depensang present para sa Letran. Ito na ang momentum changer, Anton.
Lamang na ang Arellano. It is a 4-0 run.
Wow, kabaliktaran kanina ng first set.
Nakahabol. Naunahan na ng Arellano itong Letran. And now they can build
What a
on a
dig.
lead. AC!
AC Ginto going down the line. Kanina pa yung tina-target to. Alam natin na ito yung isa sa pinaka-tina-target ng area. Hindi mo pwedeng buksan yung area para kay AC. AC Ginto. Not too powerful of a spike, but knowing where to put it. Easy work for AC.
7 points. And a double high five from Coach Brian Vitug.
Score is 14-12 in favor of Arellano.
Dapat lang tayong back mo, iba naman. Kasi nakatao na nga, nakatao kay Bembe, nakatao kay Felix, kay Dave. Diba? May back row tayo, kaya natin yung sinugal eh. Hey, nalimutan na yun, dalawa lang yan. Kapita natin, dahan-dahan. Isang puntos mo. Dalawa yan. Ikaw,
Coach Brian saying na meron tayong backline option kapag natatao na itong ating frontline spikers. Ibigay mo rin sa backline, pupuntos din tayo dyan. Now Arellano with a 2-point lead.
Aranyo, running attack. Oh,
Carl
Berdal.
Berdal.
Sabi, easy, too easy. Masyado madali yun para kay Carl. On the drop.
Ito na yung backline. Another dig by Carl. Ilista mo yun sa Kembot, Anton.
Okay.
Oh, what a rally! Bermido! Ending that wrong, Larry. This time with a shout.
Bermido.
Carl Berdal. Pointing, Bermido. Nakita niya kasi yung sigaw eh. Woo, it's getting hot in here. Bermido ending that long rally para sa Letran. Ending that run of that Arellano Chiefs. Ang dami ng warnings sa ibinibigay ng ating referees. At thank God, wala pang yellow card na nilalabas, Anton. Woo, it's getting loud in here.
Siyempre, referee's discretion yan. Pero I say let them play.
Oh, let them play. Don't give them cards, bro. Let them play. We want more.
We want the drama. We want the smoke.
Give us more. Ito na ulit ang ating magic bunot. Anton Sumagaysay back on the serving line. And Vicente coming in for the Letran Knights.
Romer Sumagaysay.
Moy Sumagaysay with that service ace to end set number 1.
Magical hand.
Another floater.
Oh, wait, what a block. And there's a challenge crossing violation para sa Arellano Chiefs. Ang ganda ng mata natin second referee. Now we're tied at 14. A very close match.
Score is all 14.
Kalmado lang si Moy, oh. Kahit yung 6 feet Arellano Chief squad nasa likod niya.
Oh! Bilyados! 2-hand wrap ball. Grabe yun. Iba talaga advantage kapag matangkad ka na setter at mas lalo kapag frontline ka pa. Look at that drop. Parang dinang, Anton. Ooh. Woo! That was too quick.
Lamang na naman ang Arellano. Oh, one-handed set.
Berdal. Oh! Oh! Bembem! Bembem says no para kay Carl Berdal.
At may flex pa. Renes Bacan si Bembem.
Lista natin, Anton. Huwag natin kalimutan natin.
For all
ang ating Kembot counter. What a block coverage galing kay Lardy Zabal and a no-no gesture galing kay Bembem Bautista. Whoa!
Kahit hindi siya yung nakablock, he
Oh,
let Carl know. Pero
Berdal,
babawi.
ba?
Oh!
Oh,
Uy!
wait. What happened? Oh! Okay. Crossing violation nata ang hinahanap at tinuturo ng Arellano. Inulit niya. Nireneak niya. Again, mga kapuso, ang crossing violation kapag buong paa lang po ang nag-cross. Pero kapag kalahati lang, it's all good.
My God, this AU crowd
Kung
is...
naririnig lang ng mga kapuso natin kung gaano kaingay ang Arellano ngayon.
So, yung reenactment ni Carl, ano sinasabi niya? Hindi siya nag-cross.
Oo, hindi siya nag-cross.
Okay. Yan, the 6 feet champions, Arellano Chief Squad.
Grabe, 6 feet.
Yeah.
And there's a lull, I think. Oh yeah, the point goes to the Arellano Chiefs. But there's a challenge para kay Coach Bry at sa Letran Knights. This is her first challenge for this set. Football challenge.
Si Carl, sobrang confident niya na walang fault on his end.
Yeah. Pero mapapakita na ba natin mga suit natin this time, Anton?
Alam mo, sakto yung pagpili mo ng kulay kasi it's a blue finals.
Diba, bro?
It's a shade of blue.
Neutral tayo.
Oo.
Papaletran or Letran blue or Arellano blue, we're in.
Yeah, we're just getting with the program, guys. Okay? We're getting with the program. we're not out of touch with reality. Oh. All right. It's getting hot in here.
So don't take off your clothes. Bawal po. Oy, ayun oh. Oh, namarel.
Oh.
Naku, ilag po, mga kapuso.
Uy,
May meme, si Coach Roger ba yun?
Coach Roger Gorayev with an appearance here in the finals. Coach Roger's everywhere. Okay.
Whoa! Look at that meme. Letran, AU, and that familiar meme girl. Our fans getting wittier every time. Oh, Bam Bam.
Okay.
Bam Bam sumagaysay with the dance. Vicente joining in. Coach Sherwin Meneses.
Wow. I love that Coach Sherwin Meneses is here dahil alam naman natin ang dami ng responsibilidad nitong si Coach Sherwin, and we are so proud of everything that he has achieved. Winning championships left and right.
Yeah, still making time for the boys, Anton.
Pero alam mo,
On a rainy day.
I will say this. Coach Sherwin has won many championships in the other teams that he handles, but I'm sure he wishes na mag-champion rin itong Arellano.
Yeah,
Kasi
tama.
dito siya nagtagal eh. Dito siya nagsimula.
And he's been part of the program for so many years.
Yeah.
Alam kong big moment ito para sa kanya.
Sinigurado ni Coach na if Arellano were to make history today,
I'll be present.
nandito
Oo.
siya.
Medyo natagalan yung ating challenge, ating technical team. Ito na. Ito kung magkocross ang paa ni Carl. Oh. Yes. Oo. Yes. Cross nga.
Challenge successful.
Successful challenge para kay Coach Bry at para sa Letra Knights. Technical timeout.
And again, Letran heads into the second technical timeout of a set with the lead.
Yes.
Lumaki silang tunay na magkapatid ang turing sa isa't isa.
Naalala ko sa iyo ang papa mo. Kung buhay lang siya ngayon, siguradong magagalak siya.
Ngunit magkaiba ang pinili nilang landas.
May suspetsang Japan.
Hello mga ka-NCAA, I'm Aliyah Fidalyaga, one of the courtside reporters this season, and we are here at the NCAA Season 100 Soft Tennis Tournament Finals at the Rizal Memorial Tennis Center. Kaya
Game 2 of the finals, Arellano versus Letran. And what a match it has been. Sa ngayon, nauna ang mga Letranista as they took set number 1, 26-24, and they are up by 1 as of the moment here in set number 2. And jam-packed crowd of Arellanites and Letranites supporting their respective squads. Here we go. Villados. Fernie Kuramen.
Coming from that technical timeout, we're tied at 16. Another successful running set attack. At running set para kay Villados at sa Arellano Chief Squad.
Tabla na naman po tayo. 16 all. Sweet 16.
Ganito yung trend kaninang first set eh. Tablahan, tapos side out lang. Oh wait, that was out galing kay Vicente. Way out. An attack error for him at para sa Letra Knights.
How long will Coach Brian keep Sumagaysay and Vicente, the two rookies in?
Gusto nila ng tatlong spikers sa harapan kaya they are maximizing at ginawa rin ito ni Coach Bry. Vicente, babawi ba? Yes! Oh! Count him in! Count him in! Vicente with a kembot. Galing at tinuro ata ni Ate Bembem yun, no?
The future of Letran.
Yes!
Let's call it right here, Anjo.
The future.
The future.
Grabe yun. Galing kay Bertan, no? Kinembutan si Bertan, Anton. Eto na, babawi kaya?
Hang time. Regalo para kay Carl. Uh-oh.
And yes, net touch violation. Sumagaysay. Medyo pinilit niya abutin yung overball na yun. Balik ang kalamangan sa Arellano. Ito, Anton, palitan na naman ng puntos yung pareha sa teams.
Parang kabaliktaran ng nangyari ng first set.
Oo.
Kasi lumamang na maaga ang Letran dito sa set number 2.
And that was outside.
Gigil.
Oo, patong play. Ambrosio, kabig pa kaliwa. Not hitting that down the line area. Sumobra.
Coach Brian Esquivel calls a timeout.
Kumpiyansa ka, confidence sa papasa. Huwag kang magdalawang isip. Hey! Dalawa lang yan. Kailangan natin pumunta. Huwag tayong magsayang. Ha? Open block na, single block. Bakit sasayangan natin yung outside natin? Ha? Ano mo yan? Diretso kayo. Go, go! Hey, ang iba! Hey, ang iba! Hey, ang iba!
The waves are coming in. Anton? Wow.
It is a blue wave.
Uh-huh.
The Letranites and the Arellanites.
At ang maganda dyan, in unison eh. Walang team eh.
Arellano up by 2. Uh-oh.
Bam Bam on the backline. That was out.
Letran misfiring as of late.
So Aranyo going back in and Bernido. Vicente Sumagaysay out. 3-point lead para sa Arellano. Ito naman, kabaliktaran. Anton, tama ka nga kung kaninang first set. Ang may gantong kalamangan ng Letran Knights. Nabaliktad, napunta sa Arellano.
Balik sa laro si Aranyo. Gibson!
Not yet. Para kay Vince, pumuntos siya na wala na naman yung pawis niya, Anton.
Oo nga eh. This guy is amazing.
Paano kaya? Walang force ang isang Vince Simzon.
Yung kryptonite niya is yung errors eh. Actually, so in short, yung sarili niya, yung kanyang pinakamabigat na kalaban.
Tama. Ooh! Wait! Sinuto going down the line on that opposite area. Andun yung depensa pero walang kumuha para sa side ng Letran Knights. Too powerful. What an angle. Umilag si Cordero.
Carl Bardal now serving.
What a match.
Aranyo.
Vince!
Gibson!
Again!
Attack point. Vince
Right in the
Gibson.
middle, another big quick play para kay Aranyo at Vince Simzon. Still at it. Trailing by 2 ang Letran Knights. Still no answer pagdating sa big quick attack nito ni Vince Simzon, ang blockers ng Arellano.
Villados. AC.
Wow! AC Ginto, single back coverage. No. And yes for AC. First substitution sa side ng Arellano, Anton.
Serving now for the Chiefs.
A rookie. Wayne.
Catareya.
Yep, Catareya is in. Rookie.
Yeah. First substitution for this match para sa side ng Arellano.
Wayne gets it in. Himzon on the drop. Picked up by AC. AC.
Wow.
Binuhay ni Wayne.
Bam.
Oh!
Ang tagal nun tingin ni Bem. Good adjustment. Ang ganda rin nung iwas sa blockers. Gandang iwas nun mga kay Bem. Pinilit niya deep cross court kahit andun na yung blockers.
Eto na ba?
Gandang kabig nun, grabe.
Tuloy-tuloy na ba? Para kay Bem Bautista.
Another successful running attack para sa side ng Arellano. This time, Kuramen. Ito yung sinasabi natin kanina first set. Single block coverage lang ibinibigay ng Letran kapag nagbibigay ng running set play. Itong si Villados kung kanino mang spike a middle blocker ng Arellano, making it harder for them. Sinusugal nila sa floor defense.
Lardizabal.
Bad receive.
Arellano can get to set point here. Ginto!
With the drop! Ginto, very smart player. Not all power, but he has that wit. Dropping it sa likod ng blockers ng Letran. No one's there to get that first ball. What a drop ball galing kay AC. Set point para sa Arellano.
Aranyo.
Bermido.
Nailusot
Still
pa yun.
alive.
Felix Bermido.
Nailusot sa dalawang blockers ng Arellano.
And the first apology. Yan, nag-sorry si Bermido.
Tama. Very crucial serve for him para sa Letran Knights.
Villados. AC!
And AC getting that point and getting that set for the Arellano Chiefs. Full of confidence right now. We're tied at one set apiece, but there's a challenge, Anton. Para sa side ng Letran.
And even Coach Brian Vitog is saying, wait.
Oo, may challenge pa.
Yeah, actually, sa unang tingin, parang ano eh.
Parang inside no? Tingnan natin.
Actually, from my end, it looked outside. But let's see. That's why we have this instant replay para sigurado tayo.
Yeah, buti na lang may mga ganito na, Anton, no?
So Aranyo is talking about zones. In na in.
Oh, that was so in. So, we're tied at one set apiece. Arellano getting that second set with the help of AC Ginto on fire.
We'll be back for set number 3.